Good morning everyone, this is Wrench It Up 2 here, and we're here in Scarborough at a client's house, and we're going to be installing a backwater valve. We're going to be showing you how a backwater valve is installed, and we're going to show you how all the procedure and steps, and we're also going to be doing a camera inspection for our client here. Stay tuned. Hey everyone, this is all our carpeting here, so we don't leave any dirt or footprints behind or any scratches on your floor. And this is how we start with the work. Take carts down everywhere. This is our equipment, our jackhammer, our C-snake, the camera itself, and our locator gun. Hey guys, so Matt's here and he found the main clean out for his line. One clean out looks like it's a dead clean out. Matt's gonna show you. And this is our monitor for the camera, and this is the reel. I'm just gonna show you the things
they can edit it all. Get it closer so they can see one thing. Okay, I'm gonna stop talking too sometimes. Okay, here's what we have done. We found two cap on top of the flooring, which we've been thinking that could be our sewer line. So we removed the both caps, and then we find out one it's an EP cap which is dead and holding a lot of dirt and sand into it. As you see, it's totally dead. But the other one looks like our main sewer line under the ground. That's where we have to start digging and put our backwater valve in here. So as you see, there's two beside each other. So just to make sure, we run some hot water into the line. First thing first, to clear up the line, and the second thing to make sure that we're on an exact line. There's our camera. I'm gonna send it down so you guys can see exactly what's happening down there. There we go. Yep, you can see the water is running. So there's some dirt sitting into the line. So no matter what, when we're gonna do the backwater valve, we have to remove this piece of pipe, and we'll see how bad is the rest of the piping. So the water is running. I'm just gonna keep going a bit more to show you. That's our direction. We're facing toward outside, which is basically the street. So we know now where the line is. That's exactly our end of the line inside the house, where we're gonna perform work and put in a backwater valve in. Now, the next step is just to determine how deep is this pipe, because the deeper the pipe is, the bigger the opening you need to reach down there and then put your backwater valve. If it's not too deep, so you don't need to go too big. Now I'm gonna pull it a bit back, just where I'm standing right by the junction, and I'm gonna, yep, okay, here's our junction. Just gonna put it down so my camera head goes flat, and I should be able now to read this with our detector, with a locator, to tell you exactly where the depth of the tank is. Here's our locator here. Needle, rigid. So I'm gonna turn on the locator. In case if you wonder how this is working, so the sound itself talking to you. The more closer you to the pipe, the continuously deep you can get. So moving forward, I know where my snake is. It's just right on top in here. Okay, I'm gonna point it right on top of the head, which is in here. Now I'm gonna read the depth. It's not too deep. It's 2 feet 2 inches, which is pretty good. So we don't need to go too deep, but still we have to do digging to the backwater valve installation. Now we know where our line is. We're gonna quickly call the owner and show him exactly everything, and then tell him the steps by step of the process, and then we'll keep you posted, and we'll show you how to do your backwater valve. Oh, in case if you wonder what is the backwater valve and what it does, we'll show you exactly what it does, and then we'll explain further into the work. Thank you so much. Stay tuned.